Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing, and what an unboxing we have today. If you guys watch my Instagram stories, you would have seen this bag cause quite a riot. If you didn't catch my stories, you need to go to my stories and check me out on Instagram, because you see the full preview before I release any bags on my channel. I always do a little quick unboxing over there. All right, I'm gonna scoot in a little bit closer so you guys can see me a little bit better. It's small, it is small. Oh! Okay, what's going on here? This fell down. Let me take this off so we can see this properly. Oh, it's so beautiful. Every time I look at this color combo, it just gives me life. Oh my goodness. That's why I've dressed in red lip and a fuchsia top, because I just wanted to match this bag. But I'm sure that if I wore all white or jeans and a t-shirt or grays, tans, I think all of that would suit this bag. So looking closely at this bag, this is the HERMES 24 by 24. This is in the smaller size. I've never gotten this size in before. I did get a dupe in once in the larger size, but I found that size a little bit big, so I really wanted to test out the smaller one, and what great way to do it is with a pop of color. Now this combo of leathers is just stunning. I've never seen anything like this. There is the grain leather here in like a raspberry, you know, fuchsia, dark fuchsia, raspberry color. And then we've got the accent in a contrast side and front piece. And this is in a red, but I will say it's a really bright orangey red. I wouldn't go as far as to say that it's orange. I still do believe it's red. It's just a very orangey red. And same with the side, and same with the handle, and same with the flap at the back. The base just has two piping details here and here. No feet. Pocket is super wide and big and easy to get in and out of. And then we've also got these clips on the side as well. All in the gold hardware. I'm going to show you guys up close. I still have the stickers on, so bear with me. That's why it doesn't look super shiny. Before we go in, actually, I want to show you some of the details here, because the stitching here is absolutely beautiful. Really beautiful stitching. And the piping, look at the piping, it is just stunning. Really beautiful. The inside is also lined in the leather as well, so all the internals are stunning. I did use this bag for a couple of days when I first got it, and then I thought I better put it back in the box or else it's going to get all scratched. When you open it, this is what you see. A really unusual closure here, and the HERMES logo right there. Beautifully refined. There is a zipper pocket. Let me take out the stuffing so you guys can see the internals. This piping is stunning as well. And we've got nothing on the zipper pull, but actually on this zipper it says HERMES. And then on the other side there is a H. No, there is no H stamp. Oh yes, there is. There is. It's on this side. Sorry, silly me. I had the zipper open, which is why you couldn't see it. And then the code is actually on this seam, on this panel here, which you guys can't quite see. I can't quite get the camera right in there. But it is absolutely beautiful. I mean, this color combo, it is looking brighter on screen than it is in reality. So it's a little bit more, this fuchsia color, which it looks fuchsia on screen, it's actually more of a dark raspberry color. So it's not as glowing. The lights are kind of throwing off the color a little bit. But you know, if I kind of show you from a distance, like that's probably accurate. See how it's a little bit more dark, a little bit more muted, and then here it looks brighter. It's probably there, it's probably right. I've been dying to try this size. I really love this style. I love the Kellys and the Birkins, don't get me wrong, I do love those bags, but there's something really relaxed about this style, and that's what I love so much about it. It's just a really relaxed vibe kind of bag. You can throw it crossbody, swing it around. It's very casual. It's not too prim and proper, but you could definitely dress it up if you wanted to. If you had it like in a black or something, I think that would be really nice. But I just wanted to have a little bit of fun and, you know, get in a color, which is just gorgeous. I am just living my best life when I have bags like these, when they're just really just have this pop of color. They enhance my day. They just make everything and everyone happy around me. All right, so the strap comes in a little pouch, and it looks like this. The piping and everything on this is just beautiful. Cannot fault it at all. And then there's the logo there. So this strap is adjustable, and there's quite a lot of points. You'll see here there's 3 holes there, and then there's a gap, and then there's another 3 holes, then there's a gap, another 3 holes, and that's it. So 3 sections of 3 holes, but that means that there's going to be a little bit of leeway here, so you can really make it shorter or longer depending on what you want to do. I am going to pop this strap on. Now, disclosure, I don't know how to do these straps properly. I'm just guessing here. I mean, there's 2 loops and there's 1 strap, so I'm just guessing I just slot the loops, the strap into the loops. I mean, how hard can it be? But if it's supposed to be done a different way, please let me know. Okay, so I've put the strap on, and I will say it is a really long strap. So if you guys struggle with short straps and you're really tall, or you want extra long straps for some reason, this bag might work for you. It's got 3 different sections as mentioned. I'm on the middle section, I think. Hang on, let me just check it. No, I'm in the middle section, and I'm the shortest of the middle section. And that's a perfect crossbody. I'm gonna check if I can actually do this as a backpack, because the strap is so big that to me, I feel like it might be designed for a backpack. Okay, oh my God, I can wear this as a backpack. What? What? Is this normal? Is this how other people wear this bag? The strap is so long that I can put it over as a backpack. Maybe this is normal. I don't think I've clipped it in properly, which is why it's making that sound. That's incredible. I'm gonna have to show you that in the mod shots a little bit later. And what I did was I just put it through this top section and kind of did that and made a backpack. But the strap is so long that it works as a backpack. I'm gonna have to take this traveling to see if this is an amazing bag to travel with. If it is, I might have to get it in other colors. But yeah, amazing that it can do that. The strap was a little bit weird that it only goes here to here, because it kind of makes the bag tilt like this. So it actually makes sense to slot it through the top. But we'll see. Have you guys seen anyone else wear it like this? I'm sure they have. I'm sure I'm not the first person. Okay, let's get into some comparisons. Before we do, remember guys that if you want more details about this bag or any of the bags you see behind me, you need to subscribe to my magazine. I will leave a link somewhere in this video or in the description. You can always also head to my Instagram profile, and I have a link in there as well. Okay, the first comparison I want to do to the 24 by 24 is the Mini Kelly. I think the Mini Kelly is a great comparison. You can see how much bigger the 24 by 24 is compared to the Mini Kelly. The Mini Kelly is really a mini bag. I reckon I could even fit this bag inside of this bag, really. Think about that. It is substantially bigger. It is a really nice small bag without it being tiny, which is why I like it so much. The Mini Kelly is a tiny bag, very, very tiny. All right, the next comparison I want to do is with the Chanel Classic Flap. This is in the newer size. I think it's the 25 centimeter size. This is in the yellow with the rainbow hardware, which I absolutely love. And you can see the size comparison. It is a really similar size, guys. Very, very similar, I think, but completely different feels, different looks all together. You can sort of see there the difference. I think the size capacity would be the same. I think the Chanel is, well, it is definitely longer, but this one's wider, so I think the capacity would be very, very similar, if not the same. And the last comparison I want to compare is with the Lulu. I think this is the mini Lulu or the small. I will have to double check that size, but these guys are really, really similar. Very, very similar sizing. I think you would be able to fit a little bit more in the Hermes 24 by 24. Just the base, you can see that there. It's like twice as wide. So this is a small bag, mini to small bag, and this is a large small bag, if that makes sense. But yes, I'm really loving the size of the 24 by 24. I think it is the perfect everyday size. It's not too small, it's not too big. I find a lot of bags to either be too small or too big, and to find that in between is really, really tricky. This is definitely one of those bags. I want to do one last comparison, because when I was speaking about bags that are the perfect size, not too big, not too small, one bag came to mind. The Hermes Birkin 25. To me, this is one of those bags that is the perfect size. It's not too big, not too small. And I wanted to show you guys a comparison with the 24 by 24. Very similar. They're very similar. The Birkin is bigger, yes, it is bigger. And it's not really designed to be crossbody, but you can see there the bases are quite wide. Both of them are quite wide. And you know, yes, the 25 is larger, and it should be, but it's not a tiny bag, and this is not a tiny bag, but I think the volume is very, very similar in these two bags. All right, let's head into the mod shots now. Now, I did say that there are a lot of adjustable things on the strap, so I won't be doing every single adjustment, but I'll go through a few so you guys know how you can actually use and wear this bag. This bag, basically, I love the top handle. I'll be using the top handle so much, taking it in and out of the car, taking it into shops. It is going to be absolutely a really usable bag. I'll also show you guys this on the shoulder. It is very long on the shoulder for me, but I will adjust it so you guys can see what it's like if I wanted to, on the shorter setting, what it will be like if I put it on the shoulder. It is quite long still. And then I'll show you a crossbody, because I love me a crossbody bag. I think a crossbody bag is the way to go these days. But let me say, boy was I amazed when I could make this into a backpack. Now, I'm not a backpack girl. I don't know if you've noticed that. I don't have a lot of backpacks. I don't wear a lot of backpacks. I don't find that they look good on me, and you know, they're kind of, for me, they're hard to style, for me. However, if I'm traveling, or if I'm, you know, going on an adventure, or if I'm going on a day trip, or if I'm walking the city streets or something like that when I'm traveling, I love backpacks. And the fact that this converts to a backpack is incredible. I am blown away. I didn't realize that you could do that with these bags, but I'm positive I'm not the only one that has figured this out. So I just slot the strap through the top here, hold it in by that. The fact that the strap is super long really caters to it being a backpack. So I'm definitely going to take this with me on my next trip. I am going away next week, so this is going to get a really nice test to make sure that it's going to be usable, and I'm pretty sure it is because I've already tested it. Thank you so much for watching this video and getting this far. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you haven't already. Really helps the algorithm out. And subscribe to my channel. I do 2 videos a week on mainly handbags and a little bit of fashion. You can also head to my Instagram. I'm super prominent there. I post nearly daily, polls, giveaways, and a hell of a lot more. I hope to see you next time in my next video. Bye for now.